Hello everyone, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 and let me show you how to use secret codes on your phone. First of all, open your phone gallery. This is the place where we can enter the codes. Let me start with the first one, which is *pound 1234 pound. And here you can check current firmware version, so smoothly enter the code and it will be displayed right in front of you. And this is it for this one. Let me go back. Another code that you can use is *pound 06 pound. And here you've got device information along with your email or serial number over here, and also just tap on OK once you want to exit. And the last code that I want to show you, the shortest one and also most interesting in my opinion, is *pound *pound. And here you've got test mode. So you can check your display, you can check speaker, sensors and so on. Let me start with display. To check display you need to click on red, green, blue and black. Here it is. And just see if display looks good. Let's start with red. It is okay to switch off, mark once the screen. The same with green and blue. Now mark black over here, and to turn off black you don't have to tap on the screen, but mark power button. And now we are back in test mode. Then you can also check the speaker just by tapping on speaker. So as you can hear, both sides works properly. Then you can check also vibration, receiver, just mark particular option. And you cannot hear it most probably, however, it is working properly. I can feel it, I can hear it, so it's good to then just tap to exit. And that's it. So just test whatever you want, whatever you need, then go back, tapping twice on back button. And that would be all. These are all codes that I wanted to show you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.